Well.
Want to join our band? Yes. But didn't Dad say he would play with us? He had an emergency at the car wash. We should go help him. No, there's nothing we can do. Come on and share this jam with me.
Oh, yeah. Russ Durham, Eli Hall, Stoney Davidson, Feldman, Mark Epstein. Oh, man. I'm not sure I ever actually broke up with Goose. It's 3 in the morning.
You weren't invited. Besides, you gotta trust me to do the right thing for myself. I'm totally going.
You'd be surprised what people will tell you for a cookie.
Believe me, I know I've sunk pretty low.
You don't need any powers to be here with me. Peach or plum or strawberry, any kind is fine, you see.
Periodic table. Murphy's Law. Boom. I'm thinking about it. No one gets left behind.